So, hello, what's up, guys? Today, I am talking about a library that I recently made known as Tone Painter. It's a gradient leap used to make colored, styled, gradient text in your terminal, or you can say CLI. In you can say CLI or terminal console or whatever you say. So features are good, like you can make colored, and it has, and best thing is that it support animated graphic text that even cholorma hasn't. So that's a cool feature here that you can use. So next is, so after that, let I see how you can install that. So to install, first you will type cd and then your project folder path. For example, I have already do that all commands, and after, if you have git, so you can type git clone and that commands, but if you haven't, so you need to download it manually. So let's start importing that module. So first function is the color text. So the color text uses, first is a word text, like you could say hello world or world hello. Next is system style. So it has some constants like red, BG white, but you can say bold, dim, tall, and everything, and C codes. You can see that it's red, its background is white, and it's bold. So that's the output here. And next is known as the gradient. So print gradient. And what's gradient? So gradient is, first we type a text, then the start color and the end color. So for start color and the end colors are for the gradient, but it only support hex color codes for now, not RGBA. So it's kinda blue, you can see after it is red something. Okay, so blue and red, it could mix pink and purple. Oh, you can see our cool gradient text is in our CLI is right there. I don't know that Cholorma has it or hasn't that, because if you know, so Cholorma is a famous Python library used to manipulate colors in CLI. So next is the rainbow. Rainbow is the best part here, because you can make animated gradient text using the rainbow function. First we type the text, then simply the time. So you can see at the front that CLI is printing the animated gradient text. Even Colorama hasn't it, bro. Colorama is a famous Python library used to manipulate colors, gradients, and not animated gradients. So next, so I hope you will use that module in your Python projects or mainly in your CLI applications. So goodbye. This is an important task. For your support, press these three buttons now.